Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a TEMU haul tonight. It's about maybe 2 o'clock in the morning, so I'm a little slow. I got this pillowcase and I thought that it was one of the ones that you go like this and it reverses the colors. It's not. It's not, and you can't really use it. It's going to scratch you. It's just to look pretty or nothing. I don't know. There's some broken things that I got. Like, I've got diamond paintings and blind boxes. These two things came broken. The ear is missing off a little space bunny, and the face is missing off of this one. And here's a regular astronaut, and then here's the other bunny. I didn't intend to order these. Dobby tossed her Blue's Clue puppy up on me and hit add to order. Okay, so the first thing I got, I thought this would be metal, but I think it's wood. Okay. I got 3 diamond paintings. I want to freak out over this one. Oh my god. Oh, look at those. It's pretty. It's only a 30 by 30. I want this to go in my bedroom. Pretty kitty in the city. I wish it was bigger. It's got the numbers on it, okay? This one's bigger. This is a 30 by 40. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I've been excited waiting for these. I see everything good on here. I love it. I like this one better, but the letters are a little bit smaller. And the last diamond painting. Oh, I didn't show you those colors. Here. JMO2. Yep. Well, okay, this side's better. I was going to say it looks kind of rusty, but there's pinks and purples in there and a red over here. I did a half a dozen diamond paintings. Well, I'm working on the 6th one right now. But, okay. Here's the 6th one. I hope it came up in the screen. Got that bar in front of it. This is Little Llamas. Whoops. Little Llamas. It took a little bit more of a beating than the others. Okay, let's see. And the letters look a little bit thin, but I think they're okay. It's all alphabet. Hello Kitty is 1 to 9 and then alphabet. And this Hello Kitty is all alphabet. And here's llama colors. Okay. So that's our diamond paintings. I want to open something. So the first one already got opened. It was a lot, so because it was damaged. Look how cute this is. You got 4 pieces of cake. Like, this is a nice quality blind box. You put the cake in there. And Lotso, he's got his attachable spoon. You put that in his hand. Whoops. Just get in there. I did something wrong. Okay. Okay. And then he sits out there with a piece of cake like he's going to eat it. So, let's put this back here. I got 3 Emmas. I don't want to open them yet. Let's do this one first. Because they didn't even show the choices on here. I don't know what he's holding. It looks like a ladle with holes in it. I don't know. I know it's not, but probably a scepter or something. But they blocked off the choices. I'll show you the box, and the other choices could have come with lots of. Oh, what one is it? What one is it? The one with the fish? Good. That's the one I wanted. This is heavy. This is like ceramic or something. I can't see anything. I gotta move my camera. Alright. Now I can see. I like it. Well, Chinese New Year's was coming up. Now it's past. His card is damaged. It figures, but I don't think this is a very valuable one. Okay. Here goes, what? Here's this box. Here's Lotso's card. That's pretty cool. Cake shop. Disney, Pixar. And he could have been T-Rex, Red Panda, the Aliens, Hambone, Sully and Mike, and I don't know what Duck and Bunny was, but if I would have got Duck and Bunny, I would have been freaking like, no, no. I would have been mad, because I don't even know what that is, and I think it looks weird. I don't know what is in here at all. Probably something dumb. Oh, I do know, just as I said that. The video might cut off. I'm having technical difficulties. Oh yeah. Oops. These are supposed to be cotton. And I don't believe them. Wait a minute now. Burp, 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 burp. Oh, no. Whatever. It's not supposed to go in your hand. okay if they were cotton, but I don't know that they're cotton. I think they ripped me off. Okay. I got this little carriage. I'm just going to leave it in the box. Well, I could take it out of the plastic, though. It's nice. That's me waving in the background. Alright. Let's do this one that's damaged pretty much. And they cover up. You can't see what the choices are. Okay, so I want the Whore of Babylon, Anubis, Shiva, and Kukuketsu. I don't know what. Okay, be a good one. It's Anubis! Cool! Look at that. That's so weird. Emma. That's pretty cool. Huh. Is it open? No. Well, that's weird. It doesn't even have... I don't know. Nothing else in the bag. No. Yeah, here's another card. Here's another card. Okay. Okay. River of Time. Egypt. Okay. So, the Whore of Babylon. Kukuketsu.